property screening. Stringent property screening with area advantage, optimal specs and Tier 1 tenants. Due diligence. Our prison information habits. Scrupulous exams to make sure each asset is threat-free. In-depth financial analysis. Data-pushed funding choices helps derive insights on future boom possibilities of assets. Listing. Listed homes have a best stability between yield, balance and capital appreciation as actual property at properly funding in Pakistan. There lies a lot of plausible in the actual property quarter of Pakistan, as it is developing at a consistent pace. Real property is one of the most secure and non-volatile alternatives to make investments in Pakistan. With extensive investment, one can earn outstanding returns, tax savings, constant money flow, and a slew of different perks. What is the excellent funding in actual property Pakistan? Bahria Town Karachi and Dha Karachi are certainly the largest housing markets in Karachi. Both communities are large-scale tendencies with a plethora of attractive and rewarding funding prospects. In these two communities, no nationality is required to invest. Is actual property worthwhile in Pakistan? Millions of human beings round are involved in Pakistan's actual property market. This enterprise is one of Pakistan's most worthwhile sectors on account that it gives safe, timely, and healthful returns on investment. What is the 2% rule in actual property investing? The 2% rule states that the month-to-month hire for and funding property need to be equal to or no much less than 2% of the buy price. Here's an instance of the 2% rule for a domestic with the buy charge of $150,000. $150,000 x 0.02 equals $3,000. Which town is exceptional for property funding in Pakistan? The greatest cities of Pakistan such as Karachi, Lahore, Islamabad, and others are the hub of investments in actual estate. Lahore. Despite being the second largest metropolis in Pakistan, Lahore has been the great alternative for actual estate. Karachi. Islamabad. How can I earn money from actual property in Pakistan? One of the great approaches of making cash in actual property is to hire out your property. Some traders in Pakistan construct a domestic for the reason of renting it out later. It generates a regular circulate of earnings and the investor can advantage from a rented property for a lifetime. Where to make investments 10 lakh in Pakistan. Top investment opportunities in Pakistan. Real estate, as low as Rs. 10 lakh. Variable, peer-to-peer lending, as low as Rs. 10,000. Variable, stocks, as low as Rs. 100. Banks and investment companies, as low as Rs. 10,000. Gold, Rs. 143,600 per tola. Forex, as low as Rs. 1,000. Bonds, as low as Rs. 100. 3D printing, as low as Rs. 150,000. Where to make investments 5 lakh in Pakistan. 39 business ideas in Pakistan with small investment in 2022 to 2023. Transport and furnish business, 5 to 6 lakhs. Import broker. Development of cellular applications. Development of cell purposes in Urdu. Provision of specialized services. Mobile marketing business. Ecotourism. Clothing and trend business. Where to make investments 50k in Pakistan. Image result, 50,000 or less. Tutoring services, a great small business idea in Pakistan. Selling used bikes among best small business ideas in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. Sell popular chicken breeds. Selling parrots, an impressive small business idea in Pakistan with 50,000 rupees. Used laptops business. What kind of actual property is most profitable? Image result. Rentals are the best actual property funding property kind due to the fact of their everyday occupancy and profitability. Which funding offers best possible return in Pakistan? Real property investment. Real property funding is the most secure and most worthwhile funding in Pakistan for a number of reasons. For example, the actual property growth started out in 2005 in Pakistan, and in view that then, actual property has been continually thriving in Pakistan. What is the 80% rule in actual estate? Image result. The rule, relevant in many financial, commercial, and social contexts, states that 80% of consequences come from 20% of causes. For example, many researchers have determined that 80% of actual property offers are closed via 20% of the actual property teams. 80% of the world's wealth used to be managed through 20% of the population. What is the 50% rule in actual estate? Image result. The 50% rule or 50 rule in actual property says that half of the gross earnings generated with the aid of a condo property